Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the launch control feature with just a touch of a button. This is one of the easiest features to set up, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now this feature you can set up with the Z06, or you can set it up with the Z51 with the magnetic ride control. So listen, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let me show you how simple this is. All right, first thing we're gonna do is start her up. Man, it sounds so nice. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our settings, go to vehicle, and we're gonna go to our drive mode customization. From here, your Z mode, you wanna make sure that your Z mode has a PTM that is selected. So for ours, we're gonna put it in race 1. Go ahead and confirm. Now this will allow your traction control to automatically start. Let me show you what I mean. So we put the car in gear here. You can see right now it says launch control is unavailable. If we hit the Z button, double tap it, automatically comes up for your race control. And the launch control is ready to go. So to show you the difference, if you are not in Z mode, so let's just say we are cruising around town and we are in our normal touring mode here. If I give it hard acceleration, we go up to about 3,000 RPMs. You see it says launch control is unavailable. If we're in your select mode that you've customized, I've got my mode set up here. Same thing. So now if I hard brake and accelerate, I'm at about just over 3,000 RPMs. So it also works in sport mode. But if you're in regular sport mode and you don't have the traction control off and you do a hard and you want to do a launch, you see the RPM still only maxed out at 3,000 RPMs. By hitting the Z button twice, it engages our race mode. Now, RPMs are at 4,500. That's how you do a quick launch control. Double tap on the Z button. Let's go try it out. All right, we're gonna try this launch control out. Got our Z mode set. It should automatically be ready. All right, let's see how this one here works. Now that's the first real one we did. 2.6, baby. That was a hookup right there. Yeah, performance sport for that last launch. And if you look at the options here, we did the automatic setting, which has, I believe it was 4,000. Let's see here. So we use the automatic setting for that last launch. try it again, see how it turns out. Launch control is working awesome. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, enjoy the ride.